breakfast with me, and he's now going to the bush. Let me tell you, people, I talk and I talk and I talk and I talk, and more this talk will turn into reality. I'm so blessed today. Baba made some cornmeal fritters for me with a little bit of flour because we're cutting back on the flour. This is fish, scallion, onions, and cornmeal fried in coconut oil. But we have some real coffee here, sitting down outside, checking out the sunrise this morning. So you see, when the world go crazy, we have our own water. You know what I'm saying? Our own food and our own light. We live off the grid. We don't need Babylon. We grow our own food and we have our own water. Good morning. This cornmeal. Bill Mama ran the retreat. This confirms it. So the thing is, if you want, Baba is the man. Change your life. Bring you to the farm. Oh man. Oh, so delicious. Good morning, son. I'll see you guys later. Well, I'm leaving Jamaica shortly. Look at this beauty. I'm leaving this beauty. Every day I got up and the sun here, and you know, because this is one of my last sunshine here in my hometown. It's kind of I'm going back to America, and it's a little sad because sometimes I spend a lot of time resting, but it's so beautiful here. I know that Baba is not back yet. Well, this is going to be my future. You know, the idea here is beautiful. This is a house that's being built across from us. Look how beautiful that is. And this is what I saw as a baby. It's like you can't tell me nothing. Growing up like this, man, whole different vibe. You know. Okay. Yes, Pops, there's my bag on the line. Are you frying stuff? What are you frying?
Me?
Yeah.
Set up my dinner.
Your dinner? Chicken? So what's this here?
Some chemical I go burn out in grass around my yard, you know.
you know this chemical can give you cancer
Man.
if it touch you too much. You gotta be careful with it.
Oh, if you touch it too much.
Yeah, don't let it touch you.
Don't make it touch me.
And this is partially what killed Moss Bears. You know that.
Oh man, I don't know already.
This he had the cancer, right?
My best friend gets sick.
From what?
You know, for a wedding, I can't remember to get a key here. And if I key to my heart, I find in one of your pants.
Oh yes, sir. This thanks. My father, wait there.
The bag not come out completely, you know, but better than before.
Give thanks. Oh wow. So it wet, right?
Yeah.
It had a rain today?
I wouldn't know.
Very nice. Thank you so much. Yeah man, it look good. You set me up for the next world travel. About 5 years to dip on the road, you know.
What the bag?
No, about 10 years. I travel with it, go all over the place, Africa, everywhere. Maybe I go dash it to and you bring it back. So probably go take it. Probably go dry probably.
Yeah, man, you dry.
But don't never pick me up.
Huh?
Don't never pick me up.
When we get on the road, about 9 o'clock, I live up there. And when we come to on the road, I see
Baba say him now come.
you see Baba Guntin?
You see him there?
Yeah?
So him did go.
You see Baba Guntin got last time.
By himself.
Yeah, man, this is down on the road last time. Just don't have to go and burn some wood fire,
So what you said to me? Cause me I wait for him to bring the van up and heal me up. Him say him now and go.
When me go down the, I want more on the road.
Yeah.
I want more car. When me look at the youth, they ain't gone already. I want to check out and come back this morning. And because me don't have the dead yard, me walk like the dead yard, me really tap it.
Yeah.
And then me left this and me go one bar up so they play pool and sit and gamble.
The dead yard wasn't good.
Me not go on. And then me left and go way up a Harwich. Up a one dance. Once you 2 o'clock this morning, come up. 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock as well.
Me come back here this morning.
I fried up the chicken.
Yeah, man.
You know, so me left the porridge in a Baba fridge.
Get in, man.
No, what you mean, man? I told you that I eat dinner. When you make the porridge at dinner time.
Oh.
So me for drink it and by the time I look around.
Night come.
But me drink it for my life. When I came down here, one thing that made me stronger is to realize that none of the Jamaican them don't have no health insurance.
No! Why didn't get insurance?
I mean they are far in a ball, but me go get jobs so me can get me coverage.
Health insurance. Oh man, nobody really phone system.
If you get sick, I just so.
So you got a doctor, you live till ready. Because health insurance now help you, they say it's going to help you picking. And you in a Jamaica now, they give you one health care this. At a point in time, you can get cheap medication.
Yeah.
Taste this and still know you. But that tastes like. More put in the mackerel in the book now, if you want the mackerel now. Well, if you taste that first.
Like a sip.
If you taste it, it's nice when you bother with the mackerel.
Yeah man, put the mackerel on the side.
Put the mackerel on the side.
Yeah man, this is very ital.
Right.
It's real ital.
Yeah man.
Because
Well, I have to put this in it, so I remember.
you know you must cook more of this, Baba.
Yes man, you know, not a vegetable. Something I tell you, I love the vegetarian, you know, I love the vegetarian.
So then you like the beans, you know?
Yeah.
Then you like the beans.
Then you don't want no chicken, and then you come here, if you cook this,
Yeah.
you know, and you have the chicken at this might.
Oh.
That's what
Cook like that.
Yeah man.
This ital, you know. Very, very ital. Tastes good, man. I like how you do it. The rasta man would do it like this too. So the cucumber, what you put in it?
This?
Yeah.
We put. We have in this now.
No.
Come, make we talk about this now from the start to different to where we reach now. We are putting in the coconut milk.
Yeah.
We put in onion,
Yeah.
garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, cucumber, tomato, right?
Yeah.
A little bit of Simple natural cooking oil. Very little bit. Very little bit. Just make it have a little different taste. Then now put on it on the fire and make it cook. Half cook, parboil. Not really cook, parboil. After when it parboil, we throw the vegetable in it. That is vegetable. Yes, so this is going on now. So one time Yannick and the chef are running. Yannick says she want to taste it now. So he put little bit in her hand as the taste that to the coconut milk now.
Yeah, for man up, because that's hot in your hand.
Yes.
Who's Yannick?
You're the girl that run cooking on Sunday later on the TV.
Oh.
They do that on TV too, that I couldn't hear there saying.
Oh, them do this?
Yeah, man. Every Sunday. So this is the jack mackerel now. So we are going to add the mackerel to it now.
Okay. With the tomato paste.
So what you hear what we have in this broad bean. Right. Coconut milk, onion, garlic, cucumber, scotch bonnet pepper. And also the garlic.
And if you had okra, you could add some okra too.
Right, if you did have the okra now, just put in the coconut milk tonight now. So this I go with the rice and peas. This is the no.
Ooh, yes, yes.
Rice and peas.
Yes, yes.
The green peas that you know.
Oh, this is not even green yet. It's the green, sorry.
The ripe peas, the green peas, not dry peas.
Not dry peas. So this is
green peas.
100% organic with your brown rice.
Yes, with the brown rice. 100%. When they see this, I know, yeah, when I eat this, I know, yeah, it's real food, real high protein with green peas. So you dry out of this peas.
You love cooking?
Yes, man, I love cook, man. If me can get a good cooking job, I don't go. Love cook.
A nice cooking job.
Yes, man, I love to cook, man.
People over the world them love your cooking, man. Them see it and them say, Lord God, man.
Yeah.
This is beautiful, man. You have a different style. Your style is simple. You're a magician, man, when it comes to the cooking. And the real chef, this look beautiful, man. Give God thanks and blessings to give you the strength. And I hope you have, you know, if you keep up this, you know, Bobby, I look for 104 years old.
Yeah,
I
man.
hope so you just live long and the people that will follow the program, they will show you love. Eventually, we all meet up and drink on Christmas and the world of them come down and we cook and we sit down and we eat and we laugh.
And we laugh and
give thanks.
give thanks. Man.
So the final word to them.
So, thing I say right now is right as the best place.
Yeah.
Best place to come and have a good natural food. Natural food.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man, and we hope that someday to come we can all meet together.
As brothers and sisters
As
from all over the world.
all over the world. As one people. As one people.
One people.
One African
From
people.
Sweden to Poland, from Germany to Africa.
Yes, one African people.
Love Baba, give thanks for
Unite
you.
back with yourself and get back to home again.
Yes, sir.
Run from this Babylon system.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going back a yard. Back a yard. So we're good to go now, sir.
We're good to go, sir.
Respect.
Give thanks. Just right here, so Baba, it's amazing because you have the avocado, it's natural, you know, it's a fish you deal with, and your beans enough protein. So this is the perfect meal. You see what I say? You can do this with yam or cornmeal dumpling,
man.
anything. So give thanks and blessings for this.
Yeah.
When you go to Africa, Lord God, tell them say you come from Jamaica.
You say any entertainer.
Them just treat you like say you're royalty.
Yeah.
Them respect Jamaica, man. To the max.
Yeah, man.
And them love you know.
Trying to bring the flag for me.
Yeah, Botswana, here is the King Baba, and we transferring your flag to the King Baba, so you're gonna have blessings. All you have to say now is Pola.
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 Yes. So now the King in Jamaica have your flag, and
Yeah.
he's gonna keep it safe for you.
Yeah.
Just give them one word.
One word.
Yeah.
I love you, good man.
All right, gift.
Love you, Botswana.
Yes.
Hope to see you someday.
Yeah, man. So you have the flag. Just bring it when you go through.
Yeah.
All right. Pola. Pola means rain.
Yeah.
And there is a peaceful country, never had a war.
Never had a war.
So with this flag in your house, you're going to have a lot of peace.
Peace.
All right?
Blessing, man. Blessing. Blessing.
So I deliver the flag to Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yes, a peace.
Peace.
Lot of peace. And
Peace and
in
love.
your life, yes.
Blessing.
Never will you have war again.
No more war.
Give thanks. I'm what you call a rebel, a soldier, a warrior, for what I believe in. I stayed in this room for about 2 weeks, rested, and delivered the black key to Jamaica. These are my bags. I'm ready to go on another journey. You know, life as it is for a soldier, missionary, not easy. Stay upon it, yeah.
Good afternoon, Jamaica High World. It is now 18 minutes after 12 and I remember now between 12 and 1 p.m. on Mondays brought to you by Lash Drink Money Mix.
One jack get cheddar crack, 100 for the cheap, 1 jack get cheddar. 1 jack get cheddar.
The boy wants to sit again.
Yeah. 1 jack get cheddar crack, 100.
Oh, really? Alright, the one that I see here. Boy.
Bye.